We'll guide you through how to export your project in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the timeline of the project you want to export. Look for the delivery page, which you can find in the bottom panel of DaVinci Resolve. Click on it to switch to the delivery interface. You'll see a variety of export presets on the left-hand side. Choose the preset that best matches your needs, like YouTube, Vimeo, or a custom setting if you have specific requirements. After selecting a preset, you need to set your file name and location. Under the Render Settings panel, give your file a name in the File Name field, and click on the Browse button to choose where you want to save the exported file on your computer. Now, move down to the Video tab, where you can adjust resolution, codec, and format if needed. Make sure these settings correspond to your project's specifications. Then, go to the Audio tab to enable or adjust audio export settings. Once everything is set, you can add your job to the render queue by clicking the ADD2 Render Queue button on the right. Your project will appear in the Render Queue panel. To start exporting, simply click the Start Render button. DaVinci Resolve will begin the export process. Depending on the length and complexity of your project, this may take some time. Once the rendering is complete, you can find your exported file in the location you specified earlier. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.